Yeah, sure, bafethu. Obviously I didn't copy exactly what Kelvin Momo did, because I'm a music producer, so I don't want to do that. So yeah, man, when you use these midis, don't listen to Kelvin Momo too much, because then you'll just make a duplicate of what he has done. So my advice is that play around with it, man. Create, dope melodies with this, because I'm gonna use this MIDI pack also. It's just that it was inspired by Kelvin Momo, but I'm not gonna use it exactly as it is. I'm gonna change a lot of things here. So make sure you do the same. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, shout out, and watch the video for the password. Okay, the password is in the video. Let's go.